Today we explore refrigerator door gaskets, the flexible seals that keep cold air inside and energy bills down. First, check for leaks by closing the door on a dollar bill. If it's easy to pull out, the gasket needs replacement. Carefully remove the old gasket, clean the channel, and measure the length before ordering a matching replacement. Attach the new gasket by pressing it into the groove all around the door and test with a firm close. Prevent future failures with a light silicone spray, gentle door use, and a twice-yearly seal check.